Conflict is the struggle between opposing forces. The main character struggles against some force that prevents them from reaching their goal. While theme speaks to emotion, conflict speaks to plot. Conflict is what drives every scene. The major types of conflict are man versus machine, man versus man, man versus self, man versus society, man versus paranormal, and man versus fate or destiny. And please don't get on me for using man. It's a term, not political incorrectness. Hey, we're making conflict.